Hello and welcome back to Automotive Sector. Now today I've got a really exciting video coming up for you. It's something a little bit different. Yeah, this channel's never seen this before. This is brand new and yeah, I think you're really going to like it. I'm going to get straight to it. I almost can't hold it in. We are going to review this potato. Yes, very nice. It's a very nice potato, and yeah, something new on Automotive Sector. I thought, why not change it up? Why am I always doing cars? Why not more potato content? Put a like and a thumbs up, if you want to see more potato. Yeah. So I think I'll do some B-roll of the potato now, so you can have a look at it from some different angles. And yeah, let me know what you think. Oh, who am I kidding? Let's go on with the video. Hello and welcome back to Automotive Sector with me, Hugh. Today we've got an awesome video coming up for you. This is my BMW 440i. I'm just going to quickly talk you through what the plan is for today and also a few modifications. So we're up in the Welsh Hills today. We're going to be doing some B-roll, some rolling shots. There's some obviously lovely scenery as you can see behind us. Just going to quickly talk you through my BMW 440i. So the car's finished in Escort Blue. It's got the M8 competition style alloy wheels, a full carbon fibre body kit which includes lip spoiler, diffuser, grills and also a splitter. The car has been tuned to 400 brake horsepower, and this particular car also has a straight through exhaust, which sounds absolutely epic. So guys, without further ado, let's go on with the video. Oh, you're back. Back to the good stuff. In 1995, potato plants were taken into space with the space shuttle to Columbia. No, that's wrong. In 1995, the potato plants were taken into space with the space shuttle Columbia. This marks the first time any food was ever grown in space. This was grown in space. I mean, okay, not this exact potato, but a potato was, grown in space. August 19th and October 27th are National Potato Day. There's something new every day.